The Tikom L8000 Plus robot vacuum and mop is quickly becoming one of the most searched-for smart home cleaning gadgets of 2025, offering powerful automation and hands-free cleaning for busy families. Today, we'll explore why this 6,000 PA robotic vacuum is dominating the market and whether it deserves a spot in your home. One of the most impressive features of the Tikom L8000 Plus is its 6,000 PA suction power, making it ideal for cleaning carpets, hard floors, and especially pet hair. Whether you have dogs or cats that shed heavily, this device pulls debris from deep within carpet fibers with surprising efficiency. The robot uses advanced LiDAR navigation to scan your home in real time, creating a highly accurate floor map. This allows the vacuum to plan the best cleaning path, avoid obstacles, and clean every corner without missing spots. Unlike older models, the L8000 Plus adapts instantly to furniture movement and layout changes. Another standout feature is the self-emptying base, which can hold up to 90 days' worth of dust and debris. That means you won't need to manually empty the vacuum bin every day or even every week, perfect for users who want true hands-free maintenance. This model supports multi-floor mapping, letting you save different maps for each floor of your home. You can assign rooms, schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and customize mop or vacuum settings using the app. The flexibility is a huge plus for smart home enthusiasts. Its smart mopping system provides consistent water flow, ensuring floors shine without leaving streaks. Whether you have tiles, hardwood, or laminate flooring, the mop mode adjusts to surfaces and avoids carpets automatically. The Tikom L8000 Plus is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing fully voice-activated cleaning. Just say a command like "Start cleaning" or "Clean the living room," and the robot gets to work instantly, no app needed. In terms of battery life, the robot can clean for extended periods thanks to its large built-in battery. If it runs low during a job, it automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning exactly where it left off. Tikom has also focused on noise control. Despite its powerful suction, the L8000 Plus operates surprisingly quietly compared to many high-end competitors. This makes it ideal for users with babies, pets, or night schedules. Overall, the Tikom L8000 Plus is a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for maximum convenience. With powerful suction, smart navigation, long battery life, and a 90-day self-emptying base, it delivers a fully automated cleaning experience. For users wanting a reliable, intelligent cleaning partner, this may be one of the best investments of 2025.